Hey everyone, it's Hannah here, and we are using the new ColDesi direct-to-film printer to make 30 custom t-shirts for a local Girl Scout troop to wear while they sell their famous cookies this year. But first, our DTF printing pro, Jared, is going to show us how this impressive machine works.
Basically, it's going to print on a film that has an inkjet receptive coating on it. So it's a direct-to-textile ink. And then a powder is going to be applied to that, which is the adhesion properties. And then it heats up to a certain temperature, and at that point you can heat press it onto the shirt. And you can do multiple substrates, and the nice thing about it is your press time is very low, so it's overall about a 15-second press.
So print time for all 30 of these transfers was under 15 minutes, and the total cost to produce each transfer is only 40 cents. After we press on the transfer for a quick 10 seconds, we're going to peel them off once they cool completely. Now you'll just give the shirt a final 5-second press, and that's all there is to it. Big jobs like this are perfect for direct-to-film printing. If you were screen printing this, it would have taken close to 6 hours of prep time for this many colors. There's making the screens, washing out, printing films, and more. So if you want to learn more about direct-to-film printing, visit ColDesi.com and live chat with one of our pros. Thanks for watching.